Hey everyone, today I'll show you a color and light correction trick to turn your portraits into professional looking images in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, duplicate your layer and convert it to a smart object. Then apply the camera filter in the crop section. Correct the vertical alignment and the scale of your photo. Move to the basic tab and adjust the light settings. Slightly increase vibrance and saturation. Shift the temperature toward cooler tone and increase clarity. Next, go to the color mixer in the saturation tab and reduce green, aqua, and yellow. Make your final adjustment and click OK. Create a stamp visible layer with Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E and use the Healing Brush tool to retouch any areas that need it. Convert the layer to a smart object and apply the ImageNomic plugin. Then add a layer mask and invert it with Ctrl-I. Use a white brush with low opacity to paint the areas you want to retouch. Add a new layer and set it to soft light mode. With a black brush at low opacity, paint the cheeks, neck, sides of the nose, upper forehead, and eyebrows. Use a white brush for the bridge of the nose, chin, and under the eyes. Adjust the layer opacity if the effect is too strong. Create another stamp visible layer and select the lips using the Object Selection tool. Add a hue saturation adjustment layer. Pick your desired color. Feather the mask for smooth edges and clip it to the layer below by holding Alt and clicking. Add a curved adjustment layer to refine contrast and tones. Then a color lookup adjustment layer on a tangent green with reduced opacity. Add a levels adjustment layer to refine highlights and shadows. Add another hue saturation adjustment layer. Reduce the saturation in yellows and greens and lower the lightness in the master channel. Invert the mask and paint with white where you want the effect to apply. You can switch between black and white with the X key to adjust areas back if needed. Add a color lookup adjustment layer using night from day and reduce opacity. Then add a color balance adjustment layer to finalize your color corrections. Finally, stamp all visible layer again with Ctrl-Shift-Alt-E, convert to a smart object and apply the camera filter. Adjust the vignette and clarity, make any other tweak based on your photo. And click OK. And that's it. You've just learned a professional Photoshop workflow to correct color and light, retouch your skin, and enhance your portraits. Don't forget to subscribe to Zeezad for more quick pro photo editing tips. See you in the next tutorial.